Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Al-Munir High School e-learning system. To class today we have unit number 1 and the topic is living things from your book Amazing Science. Amazing Science by Oxford. Unit number 1, living things. Plants and animals are living things. Plants and animals are living things. Living things. There are many living things on earth. There are many living things on earth, and living things can grow, eat, breathe, move, and have babies. There are 5 qualities in our living things, and they can eat, they can breathe, they can move, and they have babies. Plants and animals are living things. What are the living things? Living things can grow, can eat, can breathe, can move, and have babies. So there are many living things on earth. अर्थ पर बहुत सी जानदार चीज़ें हैं और लिविंग थिंग्स की क्वालिटीज़ या खसूसियात क्या हैं? द लिविंग थिंग्स कैन ग्रो, ईट यानी ग्रो करते हैं, खाते हैं, सांस लेते हैं, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव करते हैं और उनके बेबीज़ भी होते हैं. प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स आर लिविंग थिंग. प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स जो है वो क्या है? Living thing. Living things can grow. First we learn about living things can grow. You can see here the dog and puppy. The baby of the dog is puppy. A puppy grow and become a dog. As cat and kitten. Plants grow from seeds. Chicken when the chick grows, it becomes a big chicken. The chicken lays eggs and have babies, and babies when grown up they become chicken. This is the life cycle of a frog. Life cycle of a frog. First a elder frog lays eggs. Then it grows and tadpole grows to frog. So this is the life cycle of a frog. Now living things eat food. Living things जो हैं वो खाना यानी खुराक भी खाती हैं. All living things need food to grow. All living things need food to grow. Animals eat many kinds of food. Animals eat many kinds of food. Some animals eat only plants. Some animals eat only plants. Some animals eat other animals. कुछ animals जो हैं वो only plants जो हैं वो खाते हैं, और जो some animals हैं they eat other animals, वो दूसरे जानवरों को खाते हैं. So living things eat food. So all living things need food to grow, and animals eat many kinds of food. Some animals eat only plants and some animals eat other animals. Most humans eat both plants and animals. Most humans यानी ज़्यादातर जो इंसान हैं वो क्या हैं? वो खाते हैं दोनों चीज़ें, plants भी और animals भी. यानी most humans eat both plants and animals, and so do some animals like ants, crows and rats. और कुछ एनिमल्स जो हैं वो भी इसी तरह से करते हैं कि वो प्लांट भी खाते हैं और एनिमल्स को भी खाते हैं. और वो कौन से हैं? एंट्स, क्रोज एंड रैट्स. सो वी ईट प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. ग्रीन प्लांट्स डू नॉट ईट फूड लाइक एनिमल्स. जो ग्रीन प्लांट्स हैं वो एनिमल्स की तरह फूड नहीं लेते. दे मेक देयर ओन फूड इन देयर ग्रीन लीव्स. वो अपने ग्रीन लीव्स में अपनी फूड बनाते हैं. व्हेन द सन इज शाइनिंग ऑन देम, जब सूरज की रोशनी उनके ऊपर पड़ती है तो वो अपने ग्रीन लीव्स में दे मेक देयर ओन फूड. So green plants do not eat food like animals. They make their own food in their green leaves when the sun is shining on them. So green plants make food in sunlight. Some plants like the pitcher plant catch insects. There are some plants like pitcher plant, they catch insects. You can see the picture of a pitcher plant. A pitcher plant catches insects. Some plants that are not green cannot make their own food. कुछ प्लांट्स जो कि ग्रीन नहीं होते, दे कैन नॉट मेक देयर फूड, अपनी फूड नहीं बना सकते. दे टेक फूड फ्रॉम ग्रीन प्लांट्स. और जो फूड कहाँ से लेते हैं वो, दे टेक फूड फ्रॉम ग्रीन प्लांट्स. ग्रीन प्लांट से वो अपनी फूड लेते हैं. अ डोडर टेक्स फूड फ्रॉम ग्रीन प्लांट्स. जो डोडर है, यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, डोडर टेक्स फूड फ्रॉम ग्रीन प्लांट्स. So only green plants can make their own food, and they make their food in the sunlight. And some plants like a pitcher plant catch insects, and so the plants which are not green, they cannot make their own food, so they take food from the green plants. Living things breathe. Living things breathe. All living things need to breathe air. All living things need to breathe air. Living things cannot live without air. जो living things हैं वो air के बगैर जिंदा नहीं रह सकती, because they have to breathe in air. We take in air through our nose and mouth. हम अपने mouth और nose से हवा को अपने अंदर take in करते हैं. A caterpillar takes in air through small holes on the sides of its body. और caterpillar की जो sides पे small holes होते हैं, the caterpillar takes air from these holes. A fish takes in air from the water through its gills. ये इसके gills हैं fish के. तो जो fish है वो a fish takes in air from the water through its gills. तो fish जो है अपने gills से जो है water में air को अपने take in करती है. A plant takes in air through small holes in its leaves called stomata. अब leaves को when we observe the leaf very closely, you can see there are small holes in the leaves, and the leaves holes are called stomata. And plants takes in air through stomata, through small holes in its leaves that are called stomata. So living things breathe, and all living things need to breathe air. Living things cannot live without air. We take in air through our nose and mouth. A caterpillar takes in air through small holes on the sides of its body. A fish takes in air from the water through its gills. A plant takes in air through small holes in its leaves called stomata. So hopefully you understand the living things, how they breathe. Living things can move. As I told you before when we start the lesson, the living things also can move. A fish swims in water using its tail and fins. A fish swims in water using its tail and fins. A bird flies in air using its wings. A frog hops on land using its legs. अब जो frog है जब वो hop करता है land पे, it use its legs. A snake glides on land using its body. जो snake है वो glides on land using its body. So we walk, यानी कि हम जो है we can walk, run and jump using our legs. और हम अपनी legs को use करते हैं walk करने के लिए, run करने के लिए and for jump. Plants also move. The roots of a plant move through the ground. जो plants की roots होती हैं, they move through the ground. The stem and leaves of a plant move towards the sunlight. The stem, you can see this is the stem, and leaves of a plant move towards the sunlight. You can see the plants move, the stem and leaves move towards the sunlight. So living things can move. Living things have babies and all living things have babies which grow big and look like their parents. All living things जो हैं वो उनके बेबीज होते हैं और जब वो ग्रो करते हैं तो वो अपने बड़े हो जाते हैं तो वो अपने पेरेंट्स की तरह ही दिखने लगते हैं. Baby gorilla with the mother, kangaroo joy, cow with calf, and a plant has flowers which make seeds and seeds grow to make new plants. So a plant has flowers. This is the life cycle of flower, that a plant has flowers which make seeds and seeds grows to make new plants. So seeds make new plant. You can see we just put the seed in the soil and it grows to the roots. It grows in the soil. The seed roots becomes of the seed. Then it grown up and becomes a stem. Then grows on stem leaves. This is the growing process of plant. So a plant has flowers which make seeds. Seeds grow to make new plants. Now it's your exercise time. Name 5 things that living things can do. As we read in this lesson, living things can grow, eat, breathe, move and have babies. 5 things that living things can do: grow, eat, breathe, move and have babies. You have to write these 5 things on your book, page number 7. And match the baby. Next question is question number 2. Match the baby to its parents. Puppy, and the parent of puppy is dog. Calf, cow. Joy, kangaroo. And seed with plant. Question number 3 is, how do the following living things take in air? By his nose and mouth. Okay, let's read first. A boy. You have to match how a boy take in air. A boy by his nose and mouth. नंबर ए को सेकेंड लाइन के साथ मैच कीजिए. By his nose and mouth. B is a butterfly. A butterfly by small holes on its body. Match B with first line. By small holes on its body. C, a fish by its gills. Match C with the last line. By its gills. A plant by small holes in the leaves. Match D with the third line. By small holes in the leaves. Now the question number 4, answer the following questions. This question should be done on your science copy. So question number A is, why do living things need food? And the answer of the question is, living things need food to grow. Living things need food to grow. The B is, how do plants make their own food? Plants make food in their green leaves in the presence of sunlight. And question number C is, how does a caterpillar breathe? A caterpillar breathes through small holes on the sides of its body. A caterpillar breathes through small holes on the sides of its body. Question D is, how does a fish swim in water? A fish swims in water using its tail and fins. The answer of question D is, a fish swims in water using its tail and fins. The last question, question E, how does a plant make seeds? And the answer of question E is, a plant has flowers which make seeds. A plant has flowers which make seed. Now here we have a worksheet. Draw a labeled drawing to show how a seed grows into new plant. You have to label the picture, first you have to draw a seed, how it grows into new plants and label it. Okay. So worksheet unit number 1, living things. Write the name of 5 living and 5 non-living things. Write the name of living things: cat, girl, fish, tree and butterfly. You can see butterfly, cat, fish, girl and tree over here. Now write the non-living things: jug, chair, car, this is the car, book, here is book, and clock. So we have to write 5 non-living things and living things on these columns. So write living things in the living things column, that are cat, girl, fish, tree and butterfly, and the non-living things are jug, chair, car, book and clock. Okay. So to class, you have to learn this lesson very carefully and you have to complete the work on your science book unit number 1, that was living thing, and learn it very well. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.